Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to quickly link your Ubisoft account to your Twitch, or well, vice versa. So as you can see, I'm already in my Twitch account, and from here guys, everything is very simple. You just go to the settings in here on the right corner. After that you go to connections, and in here as you can see I have a list of the different accounts that you can connect. You just scroll down, find Ubisoft and press connect. And you'll be taken to the page where you can actually connect your account, as you can see. So you can see an explanation, link an account, add your console, blah blah blah. So just press get started, log in with Twitch, and your account will be easily connected to your Twitch. Just don't forget you will need your Uplay Ubisoft account credentials to perform this operation. Guys, this is very easy. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, see you next time.